I think we're all right.
Gotta make sure they're mint. Oh, that's an Umbreon. Hey, I'm pretty sure that's mint right there. You know, unfortunately for y'all, we need to go back to the saw here. That'll work. Stuck together here, that's okay. There's dust everywhere. Let's see what we got. I'm pretty sure these are all mint. What do we got here? A Pokeball Dunsparce. Alright, let's go ahead and slow roll this last part. Why not? Snorlax.
Another successful day of Pokemon Roulette.